In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these math questions under simultaneous equation. So guys, we have 10 repeated questions to practice with in this video. So after going through this video, you'll be able to deal with problems involving simultaneous equation easily. So let's get started. For the purpose of this video, I will be solving the questions we encounter with the scientific calculator, which is our lab for maths to save time. Okay, so let's begin with this question 1. It says 5 bottles of Fanta and 2 packets of biscuits cost 6 Ghana cedis. 3 bottles of Fanta and 4 packs of biscuits cost 5 Ghana cedis. Find the cost of a bottle of Fanta. Alright, so guys, to solve this question, basically this is simple simultaneous equation. Let me just show you how to represent this before solving it with calculator. So let's say we're going to the question says 5 bottles of Fanta and 2 packets of biscuit cost 6 Ghana cedis. So let's call the bottle of Fanta to be X. Let's just call the price to be X. So we have 5x to be Fanta plus then biscuits, 2 packets of biscuits. Let biscuit represent Y. Okay, 2y equals 6 Ghana cedis. Then another one will be 3 bottles of Fanta. It will be 3x plus 4 packets of biscuits. So it will be 4y equals 5 Ghana cedis. So let's solve this now. Calculator. Let's bring the calculator and solve this. So now we can solve this. Now this is simultaneous equation. Remember, I asked to find this. We asked to find the cost of a bottle of Fanta. Okay, it's for us to find the value of X. Okay, so let's check this. So this will be, now this is the calculator. The very first thing to do is we say to put it in default mode. Okay, so to say press shift button 9, full instructions, press 3, press report, and press report again. So let's go to equation solver, press 5. When you get here, this is simultaneous equation involving 2 variables x and y. So you're going to go for option 1. Okay, option 2 is for simultaneous equation involving 3 variables. So since this involves 2 variables, go for 1. So let's impute the values. So the a variable is your x, the b variable is your y. So we have for first equation we have 5. Okay, press equal to 2, and we have the constant to be 6. Then second equation we have 3, we have 4, the constant will be 5. So that's it. Let's press equals now to get a output. So when x is 1, that means the answer to this question will be 1 Ghana cedis, option B. Y will be half. Okay, so guys, as simple as this. The value is what? 1 cedis. The question again. So we find the cost of a bottle of Fanta. So the cost of a bottle of Fanta is 1 cedis. 1 Ghana cedis, which represents our x. So guys, that's it for this question. As simple as this. Let's wipe this now and solve the next repeated question. Alright. So next repeated question will be this one. It says solve the following simultaneous equation and use your result to find the value of 2y plus x. So let's bring a calculator. This is very simple. So for this question, let's remove this. Okay, everything is clear now. Just press S keyboard. This place will become empty. The boxes. So the following simultaneous equation: x plus y equals this, x minus y equals this, and use the result to find. Alright, so the coefficients of x here with the first equation we have it be 1. Okay, then coefficient of y we have it to be 1 as well. So when you put here the coefficient of x and y, the constant is 3 over, so that's 3 divided 2. Okay, then the second equation, coefficient is also 1. Coefficient of minus y here is minus 1. Alright, then we have the constant with 5 divide 2. So that's it. Let's press the coordinate to get our x and y respectively. our x is 2, our y is minus half. So let's get the output now. Let's remove the dash. Remember, x is 2 and y is minus half. So to go away from this place, press this mode button, then press 1. Then let's evaluate. Our x was minus half, that's 2 times minus 0.5 is something like minus half plus our x is 2. Okay, so that's what it implies. Let's press equal to, we have it to 1. The right option is option D. Okay, so that's it for this question, guys. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It's given that x plus y equals 3 and 3x minus y equals 3. Evaluate this y minus over 2 minus 3. So let's use a calculator as well. So for this question, let's go back to equation mode, option 5, then 1. Okay, so the coefficient of x there, that's 1. Then y is 1 as well for equation 1. The constant is 7. Then the second equation, 3x, that's 3. And y is minus 1. Coefficient of minus y here is minus 1. Then the constant is 5. So let's solve it now to get the output. When x is 3 and y is 4. So to evaluate this, x is 3, y is 4. So let's go back to press 1. X is 3, y is 4. So this will give us a fraction. And y, we got it to be 4 over 2. Okay. Minus 3. In the answer, the answer will be negative 1, guys. Negative 1. So the right option is option A. Okay, so that's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says, given that this equal, by how much is 3x greater than, by how much is 3x greater than 10? So let's make a calculator. So for this question, let's go back to equation. Okay, 1. So this is going to give us, we have 2 for equation 1, coefficient of y, and 7, the constant. Then we have 3 coefficient minus 2, and we have constant is what, 3. So that's it, guys. Let's press equal to. So our x is 17 over 7 and our y is 15 over 7. So what we need here is just 17 over 7. By how much is 7x greater than 10? So basically, let me show you something. Let's check x again. Okay, 17 over 7. So let's compute this. So let's put this in decimal. 17 divided 7 should give you 2 point something. So 2.4. So this will be 2.4 times 7. So you have it to be 16.8. So approximately is 17. 16.8 is approximately 17. So that means this will give us, remember, we did 17 divide 7, 2.4. okay, yeah, that one we did. So 2.4 times 7 give us this 16.8. So that means 16.8 being approximately 17 will be, to check how much 7x is greater than 10, all you need to do is to subtract 10 from 17, which will give you what, 7. So 7x is greater than 10 by a difference of 7. The right option this question is option D. So that's it for this question. The next subject question will be this one. It says, if this plus this equals 3 and this equals 1, find x plus y. So let's solve it with the calculator. So for this question, let's go back to simultaneous equation. equation solver 1. So we have for equation 1, coefficient is half. Okay, then y is 2, the constant is 3. Then that one we have it to be 3 divided 2. Okay, we have minus 2 and we have 1 as a constant. So that's it. Just press equal to when x is 2, y is 1. So the answer will be 3 because 2 plus 1 give it 3. That is for this question, guys. Option A. The next question will be this one. So that before I solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you have subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. We really appreciate this. Okay, so let's bring a calculator and solve this question. So for this one, let me explain something. This will be, you have to rearrange this equation. Okay, so for first equation to be 3p, this 4q equals over 20 minus 4q equals 0. Then the other one, the second equation will be, we have, okay, that is 9p, this 8q equals over 20 minus 8q equals minus 12. So this will be the equation. So now that we have this, let's solve this. Now our p represents x and our q represents y. So it will be, for first equation we have coefficient that's 3 minus 4 and 0, the constant. Then second one we have 9 minus 8 and minus 12. So that's it, guys. First equals now. So we have x to be negative 4 and y to be negative 3. Alright, so negative, we're asked to find the value of pq. So pq minus 4 times minus, so could you give you 12? Right option is option C. Okay, so it's as simple as this, guys. Let's wipe this now, solve the next question. We are making progress, guys. So remove this. Question 7 says if this equals this and this equals, find value of x plus y. Let's bring a calculator. So for this question, let me also explain something. So the equation will be, we have x plus 0.4y, okay, equals 3. So the second equation now will be this y equals over the equality sign will be, that's, let me write this way, guys, that this will not confuse. Okay, so second equation we have half. Okay, if y equals over, it will change to minus y equals 0. So that's how you're going to represent it before solving. So let's solve this now. We are done with this equation. So for first equation we have 1, coefficient of x there is 1, then we have 0.4 for y. Okay, then the constant is 3. The second equation we have half. Okay, 1 divided 2. We have minus 1 for minus 1 and 0 as a constant. So that's it, guys. To solve this, the question equal to, when x is 5 over 2 and y is 5 over 4. Okay, so to solve this now, so we have 5 over 2 and 5 over 4. So let's solve this, guys. Press mode 1. So it will be 5 over 2, okay, plus 5 over 4. Let's check the outputs. We have it in 15 over 4. To put it in decimal, 3.75. So basically this will give us, the right option will be option C, because 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3, that's 15 over 4. So the right option is option C. That is for this question, guys. So it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this now and solve the next question. So it could give us this question 8. it says solve this. Okay, so this is very simple, though it's not simultaneous equation, but let's still solve it. So for this question, we'll make use of equation solver. So we are going to replace our y with x. That's what the calculator recognizes. The s variable. We have x plus 1 over 2. Okay, we have minus a fraction 2x. Okay, minus 1 over 3 equals, to bring equal this and place alpha and this calc button equals what 4. To solve, press shift calc, assign s to be 0, very important, press equal to. So the answer is minus 9, option B. So that's it for this question. Okay, next question will be this one. It says solve for y in the equation. So let's make a calculator. So this is very simple. Go to mode, option 5, then 1. So it will be, for first equation, it will be 2 minus 3, and constant is 22. Then second equation, we have 3 plus 2, that's 2 is same as plus 2. Okay, then we have 7 as the constant there. So that's it, guys. Let's press equal to get the value of y. So when x is 5 and y is negative 4, the right option is option D. So lastly, before I end this video, question 10. Okay, this one. So you say if p 3p minus q equals 6 and 2p plus 3q equals 5q. So let's bring a calculator. So for this question, our p will be our x and our q will be our y. So the first equation it will be 3 coefficients of 3p, then minus 1 coefficients of minus q is minus 1, then the constant is 6. For the second equation, we have it to be 2 coefficient of 2p is 2, then 3 coefficient of 3q is 3, then constant is 4. That's it, guys. Let's press equal to. So when our x is 2, remember our x is our p, we have to find value of q, that's y. Our y will be 0, so right option is option D. Okay, so guys, this is basically I can do problems involving simultaneous equation for your math using the scientific calculator. We practice with time the questions on this topic. So hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, comment on this video. May I feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I'm talking about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you excel in your external exam writing. Don't forget to see once on the press shift button 9 for the instructions. Press 3, press equal to, press equal to. Alright, so now click next now above and I will see you in the next video.